Morning. Well, for those of you who asked me to do fasting new to Fibonacci levels of trading, I just quickly want to do this for you. Though I've done some of the settings on my YouTube. You can get there with my YouTube. If you go to YouTube, you get to my YouTube. You get Price Action Traders YouTube. You get to Fibonacci settings part 1 and part 2. This is the part 1 of it. Yeah, so you get the part 1 and part 2 of it, and please make use of it. But right now I've added more, defined it to more specific levels, which we are going to see. If you are using the MT4 trading platform, trading platform, is the same in nothing, it's the same. Just I've already customized my own, but if in case I don't know how to, in case if you open your DC newly and you want to edit the DC, these are the levels you maintain. You come here, when you come under this, you can see it here. This is the Fibonacci. You see it here under this draw Fibonacci retracement, or you come to insert the Fibonacci. Yeah, but I believe this is the quickest way to just click here. So just come here on retracement. Then you drop and drag it. If you are, for example, you want to take from the high to the low on selling market, you drop and drag it downward from the high to the low of your trading range or thereabouts. If this is your trading range, for example, this is your trading range for Euro USD, and you've dragged your this from this high to the low, then you double click on it if you want to edit to my own special specific levels. The consider as the ultimate trade entry or skipper entry levels. I've already customized my own, but just come under the levels, maintain this. Whatever you figure you get there, rub off those 23 point something, and you just put this 0 levels. Just repeat, and you put it at 0, whatever the level that's there. Then this is description. This is the first. This one you do, you maintain this 0.0 under description. Then you rub off, you delete the 23 point something there or 38.2 you see there, delete them. Just right click on this and you can see it. You can see. So maintain, let your maintain this settings I'm showing you. Yeah, whatever thing you see there, just delete them and then leave 50.0. The under description, the under level, which is 0.5. So it will display 0.5 level. Then description is 50.0, 62.0, 70.5, which is the newly added levels. 0.775, that's for levels. So let's maintain that sequence. Then 0.78, 78.0, 0 for levels, the level 0.89, the description will have 89.0. Let him maintain this level, please. Then finally you get to 100, which is the bottom. Yeah, the bottom of the range. Yeah, which you get, you put under the level, let it be 1, put 1 there. Then description you put 100, so that every other thing just cancel, delete every other thing. As long as you maintain this, you are in the right way. So you just go there, you can change to just change the style, change the style to black. You can color your own the way you like. It could be red, it could be, just come here and see this. Don't remove everything there. So just come here and click OK. Here we don't need to put it at dash. Just let it be like this. For me, I prefer that. If you want to put it to be a dash, fine. You can just do it like this and click OK. It will be a dash. But if you want it to be like a normal line, change it to this, and then you click OK. Under common, common articles, that one is this you forget about those ones. Forget about this. Just come to Fibo levels only. Fibo levels only. Then please maintain these numbers. So those are the ones we need. The rest of them, delete them off. Delete them off. Yeah, delete them off. So you press OK. Press OK. So now, if you are, that means if you are drawing from the high to the bottom, from the high to the low of your price range trade, that means you take it from this high to the low. So that is how you trade, and you can see that the market comes up higher. Before this place, you must have drawn this in, because this is going to give you a retracement, right? So before you witness this place, you must have drawn up your distance, so that when price moves into it, you start at exactly, but this is imbalance, at exactly 70.5 or thereabouts, and you start coming down. The second move you get through. So that's how to start your trade. You start tracking the trade, you sell here, then from that place down, you can imagine what will have immediately got in the 48 pips on euros. So that is how. Then if you want to buy, you identify, maybe probably you have identified your price range. You drop and drag from the low to the high. Let's say, for example, this is your range. This is your range. You want to buy, right? You want to buy. You can see we drop it at the low of the range. This is the lower range. This is the upper range. We drop from this low to the upper range. From the lower range to the upper range, right? Now price came in, drop below the 50, the midpoint, which is the 50 point, which is the discount level. Yeah, anything below here, consider as discount level. Anything above 50, consider as premium level. So you can see here right now, we see price moving as from you get to this place, is already selling, right? Then coming down here, it got to this place, then start moving higher. But you must trade it, please trade it in the context of the market structure. Trade it in the context of market structure, because right now, if you are going to, the main trend is what is bearish, But if you can just be smarter enough to say you want to buy against, that means you are trading a counter trend. You are trading a counter trend. So you just have to be knowledgeable about the market structure before you say you want to trade. The advantage of using Fibonacci is just to know how to time your entry point. Where are those levels that the market will possibly react, so that you put you enter your sell or buy at those levels. So you want to time yourself ahead of it. Helps you to predict so level, so at those level price will react, price will start selling or will start buying. So we tell you that the rules is that you buy below 50% of your price range, which is at discount level. Then you sell at above 50% of your price range, which is at a premium level. So that's really fair for you. Take note of that. Then, if you want to know, so you go to my YouTube and you get a lot of more this and that. So I've shown you how to do that. If you want to do your own for example, if you want to do your own on TradingView, if you go to TradingView, maybe you want to do your analysis on TradingView, you don't know how to just come here. This is under this Gann and Fibonacci tools. You see Fibonacci here, Fibonacci retracement. Just go there, click on it. I've already edited my own. Just come here. from this, if you, for example, this is a bearish market structure, right? And you were here, market comes to this, before market goes to this place, you already, you know, let's say, for example, you got your price range as this, and you already assume that the market will possibly grow, because this is a bearish market structure. You possibly go to predict that, okay, market will, once market moves higher above this place, you're going to sell. So if you want to customize your own, just come here, click on right click, double click on it. It gives you an option. You come out with settings. This is the only figures you are going to activate. So others, you check them out. All these ones, you check them out. Then edit your the numbers as this, exactly as this. Please take a look at it very well. Take a look at it. Is the same all over. It's the same thing in your own system. When you open your trading, this is what you get. But you have to change edit the numbers to this style. As long as your number is in this style, every other thing you check them out so that they are not activated now. All these ones are not active, all these levels are not activated, whether 0.38 or whatever. You don't need those ones. You only need what? You only need these figures. So once you maintain this, then you come trend line, the color. I maintain this color for now for trend line. Yeah, this is the trend line. The trend line. You can see the trend line. So now you may put it as a dash, you may put it as, you know, as a line, whichever way you want. You specify leveled line. You may change this. Yeah. Then leave a extend line left and extend line right. Leave those ones. Then comes here, use one color. Let it be at the default setting. The background, if you want this to show more, that means you want to put it to show more. Okay, you check it, you check that, then it will show all this. But if you don't want to show, if you want it to show, if you don't want it to show background, like as him, you can see my as a pure this in white now, so that the figure will not, the background will not alter your analysis. I will uncheck the background. I will uncheck it. So reverse, uncheck reverse. The prices, check the prices, check levels, percentage. You want it to be on percentage. You can see my own some percentage here. Then with the price, I check on price. If you don't check on price, it will not. You can see it will remove the price. But we check it because I want to know the exact price level that each this thing falls upon. Yeah. Then label. You label right. If you label left, it will go to the left. If you label right, it will come to the right. I prefer to do right. Then on top, not bottom, please. You can see it. So I prefer on top, or you can use middle. Yeah, you can use middle. Then font size. You can use 10. You can use your stand. You can use but I prefer to use 10 or 12 thereabouts. So that's you fib levels. You leave it as default. Uncheck. Let it be on as unchecked. Yeah. So these are the things you must maintain. Coordinates. Forget about this for now. Yeah. Forget about this for now. So this is the what you are going to do with that is the style. So just click. Once you have done, you click OK. You click OK. That's all. You have edit. So you maintain that. So that means you are going to draw your Disney, and once price starts moving higher above the DC, you're going to sell, and that is how to use Fibonacci. Please, that is my Fibonacci setting. That's my Fibonacci setting. You've got that. Yeah. So God bless you. Just get to please more of it. You can get to my book too. If you want to more of this thing on a Wall Street Trader on the group archive, Yeah, I put on the group iCal. You can get the book if you want to know more on the foundation of Fibonacci. You go to Google, search it out, Fibonacci, series. If you want to learn more about it and the background or whatever. So that's for the setting. God bless you.